Hi, and welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. Have you smelt wet mud after a rainy day? Doesn't it sort of smell appetizing? Well, there's this phenomenon called geophagy, or eating the earth. And it's not uncommon. A lot of toddlers tend to do this too. This behavior is not just found in humans, but also in many primates and other vertebrates. But we don't really know why this happens. So researchers have been documenting this behavior among other primates and trying to understand what causes this strange preference. This study was published in the American Journal of Physical Anthropology. There's really no consensus on why this happens, but there are several hypotheses. One of them is called the protection hypothesis. This sort of says that eating earth is an adaptive behavior. So that means that it protects an animal from different toxins, parasites, or pathogens. These toxins may have been ingested from some of the foods they ate, for example from plants. And the soil they eat sort of nullifies the effects of these toxins. Another hypothesis is called the supplementation hypothesis. This proposes that geophagy probably helps them gain these essential elements that are absent from their diets. And finally, the third hypothesis suggests that this is a non-adaptive behavior and there's literally no benefit from eating earth. But then, why do these non-human primates indulge in this mud-eating behavior? Geophagy seems to be adaptive among non-human primates. That's what the results of this study kind of say. The researchers found moderate support for the protection hypothesis and some modest evidence for the supplementation hypothesis. But they can't really pinpoint how exactly geophagy benefits non-human primates, since the available data is quite irregular in quality and very limited in quantity. But they do suggest that the motivation for these primates to eat mud might not be exclusively for mineral supplementation or protection. Maybe it's a little bit of both. They suggest that this behavior might be influenced by other factors, like the type of soil that's available or the diet of the animal and its physiological needs. Well, there are a lot of implications to studying this bizarre behavior of soil eating, including conservation. These conservation initiatives are needed because they can help animals to cope with increasing dietary challenges which could have been caused by habitat destruction, climate change, and the never-ending competition between species for these finite dietary resources. It's quite possible that geophagy could help maintain the health of both wild and captive populations. So the researchers urge that further studies be done and these geophagy sites be conserved. Thank you for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.